What is it? What kind of new clothes? Oh, what's on there? Ooh, let's see. Oh my goodness, what is that? Is that an alligator or crocodile?
Oh, look.
Ooh, another one to bite ya.
Grandpa George said he wants a picture of you wearing these.
The biting Crocs.
Yep.
And look at your pants, your shorts.
Woo-hoo! Wow, that's cool, huh?
No, this is toy.
No,
It's
it's
your
birthday.
birthday.
This is my have any open.
Dark one's one.
That's the rest of you spending money on that there.
Well, it's probably alternate them now. Oh, wait a minute, I got these now. What was
That it's yeah.
The big
that's
one's
what it should
D.
be.
That's you looking for this?
Well, that's with.
Oh, you put them together?
Yep.
There you go.
Here's another one from Nana and Grandpa George. Hangy bangy, what are you gonna do with it?
Open it.
Wear it, you said?
No, open it.
No, but what are you gonna do with what's inside?
What do you think you're gonna do with it? You think you're
What do
gonna
you
play
think's
with it?
inside? Do you play with it, or you wear it,
A
or
guy.
A guy.
you play with it? Okay, let's see.
What do you think it's like? A guy.
No, I had.
Who is that?
What
Who's
kind
on
of
it?
hat?
John Cena.
John
Uh-huh.
Cena.
Oh.
You can see me.
Don't sit that.
John
Yep.
Cena
Think
dip
about
top.
that.
Hey.
Wow, look at those cool shoes.
Hey,
Those are
there's
cool
more
flip-flops.
wrestlers on there too, Randy
Yeah,
Orton
that's
and
right.
Hulk.
He's on there.
Triple H, I mean.
What do you think about that? Look, your hat matches your
Put your-
shorts.
Put your hat on.
Huh?
Let's see.
Oh, you just make it smaller. Way down. John Cena!
Woo!
Woo! Keep it on.
Look at those cool flippers. Tip top.
Here's another present. Who is this from, I wonder?
Grammy.
Grammy?
Did
No,
you
you already
Grammy?
did Grammys. Who else got money?
Gabatola.
Marianne.
Gabakin.
Earl.
Gabakin.
Yeah, you got Grandpa Ken's money last night. You haven't signed that yet.
So,
That
who's this one going to be from?
Gabakin.
Grandpa Earl County or Grandma?
Gabakin.
Okay, this one is from Grandpa Earl and Grandma Connie.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Hangy bangy, what you gonna do with it?
Open it.
Are you gonna wear it or play with it?
Play with it.
Let's see
Okay,
if you're
let's
right.
see.
See if you're right.
Yep, it's a winter night.
The wrestling guy?
Oh, who is he?
Kofi
Oh,
Kingston.
Kofi.
Woohoo!
Kofi Kingston.
I don't know where we put that.
Kofi Kingston.
Oh, I still see more presents.
My goodness sake.
Kofi Kingston.
The other clothes.
I can't even remember what I got. I'm trying to mix them up. Here's another one from Nana and Grandpa George. Hangy bingy, what you gonna do with it?
I play with it.
Play with it? Let's see if you're right.
Or not.
Or not.
New code.
Oh,
More?
What's on that one?
A dinosaur.
A dinosaur.
Oh, he's a big one. My goodness.
Oh, cool. You can wear these when you go. You can wear these when you go see Mickey Mouse. You can wear your gator and your John Cena hat and your flip flops and go see Mickey Mouse. Huh?
Yep.
Okay, I see more presents. I'm thinking this
Oh,
one's
my
from
word.
this one's from Grandma. What's it called? Grandma.
Grandma M.
Grandma M. This is from Grandma M. Hangy bangy, what you gonna do with it?
Play with it.
Okay, let's see.
I like that. Or not. funny thing is he doesn't remember getting all these yesterday, apparently. I love about that age, they don't remember. Rip it open. Try this end.
I'm sure you remember. You just have to make a connection. Who is it? What did Grandma M get you? Oh, we saw those at the store, didn't we?
Yep.
Finley and Hornswoggle?
Yeah.
Awesome, dude.
Oh, cool, Grandma
Mercy
M.
doesn't want those. Hold it up so I can take a picture so you can show Grandma.
Yeah, him is little guy and him is the big guy.
The little guy needs a big guy. Okay, I can see your face
Look
though.
over, look up here. No, put your head up here.
Like
So
this.
Mom can see. Look at Mom up here. Yeah, there you
Smile.
go. There.
Oh.
Yeah, he was looking at
I
those
see
and
more presents.
he's like, I don't like that guy. And I said, that's that little guy that lives under the wrestling ring. Recording. And he's like, oh. And he's like, okay, okay, put him aside.
Grandpa Earl and Grandma Connie. Wait, that's the rest of them. Are these colors?
I have no idea. Or whatever.
Hangy bangy, what you gonna do with it?
Who is it?
Okay, let's see. Let's see if you're right. Oh no, another guy?
Yeah, that I got that one Toys R Us.
You got that one at Toys R Us?
Turn it around. Let's see it.
Show Daddy. He looks like Kiss. Show
Turn
Daddy.
around.
Show Daddy. He looks like Kiss.
That was Kiss.
Turn
Turn
back.
it so Daddy can see.
Jeff Hardy?
Who's that for?
That's Jeff Hardy.
Yeah, that's Matt Hardy's brother. That's Matt
You don't
Hardy's
have a
brother.
Jeff Hardy, do ya?
You have to show this one to Grandpa George. Say it looks like Grandpa George's arms, huh? Okay, you got
Oh, you
two
want another
more.
picture? There you go. Good job.
Here we go. Hangy bangy, what you gonna do with it?
Who is it?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. That one's from Grandpa Earl and Grandma Connie.
Again.
Or Grandma
Yeah.
M, probably.
Or Grandma M.
Yeah, Grandma.
No, that's Grandma M's. I'm sorry, I was wrong. And Grandma M's another one. She got me two. Oh, who is it?
Big guy.
Mark Henry. Boy, Grandma M got you the cool ones, didn't she? She seems to be reacting that way.
Oh.
See?
Sweet.
Cool. Okay, this
Got
is
one
the
more.
last one.
Whoa, he has lots
This
of
one's
wrestlers.
from, this one's,
Yeah.
yep, that's all.
Yeah.
This is from Grandpa George and Nana. Hangy bangy, what you gonna do with it?
Play with it.
Play with it? Okay, let's see. Or not.
I say it right, or not. He's like,
that's not a guy.
yeah, wait a minute. What is that?
What is that?
This. Corn.
Smile.
What do you think it is?
What do you think it is?
What is that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Look what's all
We
in
need
the
to
back.
open it and
It's got
see, huh?
stuff you can color, posters and stuff.
Yep, I go open the guy. I go open